Hi everybody, in this lesson I will show you how to use color gradients in designing in Adobe Illustrator. A gradient is blend of two or more colors. Firstly, I am going to draw a polygonal shape and then open the gradient panel from Windows menu in Adobe Illustrator. In the panel, I will double click on a stop to change its color using the color panel. I am going to apply the color to the fill box in the toolbar of Adobe Illustrator and not for the stroke color. I have selected radial gradient as I want this polygonal object to look like a crystal. You can adjust the colors and positions of the gradient stops by clicking on them in the gradient panel. I will draw an ellipse and fill it with brownish yellow radial gradient. If you don't change the colors in a stop, then the default black to white linear gradient is applied. This looks like gold color. I will place this elliptical object behind my crystal-like object. Drag the stops to change their position. And then drag select all the elements in my design with black arrow tool and group them. Brushes in Illustrator let you stylize the appearance of paths. The brushes panel can be opened from Windows menu. The panel displays brushes for the current file. In this lesson, I will show you how to create a pattern brush style. I have already created one single design unit on the artboard that needs to be repeated in a pattern. With black arrow tool, I will drag and select this unit and place it in the brushes panel. I am being prompted to choose from pattern brush options. Tile buttons let you apply different patterns to different parts of the path. Click a tile button for the tile you want to define. I will select an option that would be more suitable to draw chain links if in case in future I need this pattern to draw jewelry designs. Brush tool of Illustrator draws paths that have a brush stroke applied. I will keep brush pane open by enabling it in Windows menu. I will set the size to 15 points. Note I am selecting a round brush and with a stroke color in black shade. In this lesson, I am going to show you all how to create an user-defined brush style which could be used in fashion illustrations. On the artboard, I will draw wavy lines in horizontal direction. This brush style can be used to draw human hair in fashion illustrations. I will add more brush strokes in shades of brown. I am going to select different brush shapes in the brush panel and draw more lines like this. Now my brush style is ready. I am going to drag and select all the elements on my artboard, right click and choose group. Now I will select my brush style that I have created and drag and place it inside the brush panel. In the new brush dialog, I will choose Art Brush and click on OK. In Art Brush options, I will select Stretch to Fit and click on OK. Now with the brush tool selected, I will choose my newly created brush style and paint on the artboard. This style can be used for drawing hairstyles on fashion cookies.